If you're looking to understand how to use PartnerStack's dashboard for monitoring, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to start using this powerful tool and make sure you're maximizing your affiliate or partnership potential. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a special tip on how you can unlock an extended free trial through an exclusive link below. PartnerStack is designed to simplify and streamline your partner management. Once you're logged in, the first thing you'll notice on the dashboard is a comprehensive overview of your entire program. This is where you'll monitor key metrics, such as your active partners, commissions, performance, and overall campaign progress. At the top, you'll see a clean navigation bar that makes it easy to jump between key areas: partners, payouts, performance, and more. To monitor your partners, click on the Partners tab. Here, you'll be able to see your partner list, their status, the amount of commissions they've earned, and which partners are performing the best. This is the section where you can track partner activity, and it's crucial for optimizing your program. By clicking on a specific partner's profile, you can see detailed insights into their performance, the number of referrals they've made, and how well they are converting. Now, when you need to track performance on a broader scale, the Performance tab is your best friend. Here, you'll see charts that track conversions, leads, and sales from all your partners combined. It gives you a clear visual of what's working and what's not, allowing you to make data-driven decisions that can boost your program success. You can filter by date range to focus on specific periods like monthly or quarterly performance, which gives you flexibility in tracking both short-term and long-term results. The payout section is where you'll track the money. You'll get detailed reports on what's been paid out to whom and how much. This is incredibly useful when you need to review transactions or prepare for your next payout cycle. The payout details can also be exported, so you can integrate them with your financial systems for even more convenience. If you're looking to optimize your partner relationships, use the Referral Programs section, where you can view the performance of each specific program you've set up. You'll be able to see which programs are bringing in the most partners and conversions, helping you tweak or enhance underperforming campaigns. What's even more powerful is the ability to track the performance of different affiliate campaigns simultaneously. With PartnerStack's Campaigns section, you can monitor which types of campaigns your partners are engaging with and how successful they are. It's perfect for A/B testing different approaches and fine-tuning your strategy. One of the best features of PartnerStack is the ability to automate certain tasks. For example, setting up automatic notifications or email updates whenever certain thresholds are met, like when a partner reaches a certain payout. These notifications help you stay on top of things without constantly needing to monitor the dashboard. Finally, let's talk about the reporting capabilities. PartnerStack offers in-depth reports that give you a granular look at how your program is performing. You can break down the data into segments such as referral sources, partner tiers, and even by geographical location. This is particularly useful when you need to optimize for specific demographics or improve partner performance in certain regions. Now, here's the good news. You can use PartnerStack's software for free with an exclusive offer available through the link in the description below. But this isn't just any free trial. You get extended access, so you can really dive deep into all the features I've just covered and see firsthand how it can boost your affiliate program. To summarize, PartnerStack's dashboard for monitoring is incredibly user-friendly, yet packed with powerful features that allow you to track partner performance, manage payouts, and optimize your campaigns. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to improve your strategy, it's a great tool to have in your digital marketing toolkit. And don't forget, you can get an extended free trial